Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another property tour. So today I'm here in the city of Henderson in the master plan community called Cadence. Beautiful park right there. Okay. Right across the street we got Woodside Homes. Sold a couple of those homes, they're really nice. Today we are going to be exploring a product by Harmony Homes, which is owned by Jim Rowe. Okay. So we have something very interesting here. So we have attached townhomes. These are actually 3 units. They actually started back in January. So a lot of them have been sold. It started back down this way. And the original price started off around like $240. Now they do build 4 units, 6 units, and a total of 8 units. So today we are going to be exploring this one right here. This is one of the smaller units. This is called Unit or Model A. It is it is 1,206 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bath. Does have a great room, pantry, and laundry upstairs. So we're going to take a look at it. We're going to see what this thing has to offer. So you have a nice little patio cover area here. Good news is your air conditioning unit's right here off to the side. This is a 14 SEER air conditioning unit. So it looks like you do have a rekey here, which is really nice. So this is pretty much it right here. Now the starting price on here is $311,990. You have 8-foot ceilings here. So you have living room, kitchen combo. I think this is great if you're going to buy a condo. Basically, I would start off with something like this. Now the flooring here, you have the beautiful laminate flooring. However, standard, you're going to get the 18 by 18 porcelain tile in the wet areas. So the cabinets that you do see here, you have 30-inch cabinets. Now, standard, you're not going to get these white shakers. You'll have 3 light color browns to pick from. And on this quartz, this is like a level 2. So how this is sold is basically level 1, you get everything for free. You can pick and choose, so you have a couple options. You move on to level 2, you pay one price. Then from level 2, you probably have like 7 different options to pick from. Okay. HOAs here about $60 a month. Let's take a look at the cabinets here. As you can see, you do have the nice dovetails, soft closing cabinets. Now in this one, you have an option to do the surround sounds. You got the Traverse LED lights. You got some wallpaper here in the back. So it shows the creativity of what you can do. Now, let's see if we can get into the garage. Now the garage is actually in the back, so I can't get to the back because this one is locked. Okay. You get 4.5 inches on the baseboards. Here's your half bath. Okay, not bad. I'm going to swing back around here. So you can see we have a small little tiny pantry. Not bad. Now let's go upstairs. You get the orange peel texture. Now what I like about this starter home, right, you get cable outlets on every single room. Now let's make our way upstairs. Good news is that laundry is upstairs. Okay. You get the mowing carpet. The tile is through emerald's tile. So here's the primary. Pretty decent size here. You got the 5-panel door. That's going to be standard, which is great. You got a second thermostat right here too as well. So this is a dual zone. 8-foot ceilings, standard orange peel texture, 1/2 inch on the bull nose. So it looks like you have sinks on both sides. You got Delta fixtures. Coming into the shower, it looks like you have a 3-piece fiberglass. Let's go take a look at the other bedrooms here. Oh, here's your laundry. Let's take a peek in the laundry. Washer and dryer not included. Looks like somebody left their hat there. Tub shower combo. Never seen this brand before. This is a two-piece, very interesting. As far as like material-wise, it's not your top-grade material. However, I mean, if you go to the design studio, you'll have the options, and I think their design studio is actually over here, so you don't literally go to a brick and mortar spot. You just come here and you just pick the options, because all the options are pretty much all laid out. Now, if you buy something like this, obviously you don't want to overbuild on here, because eventually when you're starting your life, just starting your family, this is great to get started. However, what's going to happen is you'll probably end up turning this into a rental. So that's something that I would definitely find out. Can you actually rent these out? All right? Because that's going to be important. Here's your attic access right above here. Then we have our air filter right here. Not bad though, right? I think on this one I would just keep it all standard. Carpet upstairs. Tile the whole first floor. Downstairs. On the upgrade on the kitchen, I would leave it the way it is. Right? I'd probably just do the granite. Add some lights. Get rid of the surround sounds here. And just pretty much do the wallpaper the same thing. Because eventually this is just a great place just to get started. I'm curious to hear what your thoughts are. But I'm going to sit down for just a second here. Give you guys a better perspective. So that way you guys can see what's going on. But a couple things with the kitchen. The backsplash is going to be a 4-inch backsplash. We talked about Delta fixtures. Okay. The bathroom, you're going to get like culture marble. Okay. 14-seat air conditioning unit. So, I mean, there's really not too much to this property. Also, if you guys haven't had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Also, don't forget our second channel too as well. All right, Chakits 2.0. Okay, that's going to be pretty much more of everything real estate other than the home tour. So if you guys are a true fan, go check out that channel, subscribe, and hit that notification button, because we got a lot of great content, especially if you are into real estate, making money, generating income, if you want to become a realtor, real estate investor. I mean, we have it all. Other than that, I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys from the bottom of my heart. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up on this video. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day. Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.